हेलो माय डियर हिंदी लर्नर फ्रेंड, आप सभी का स्वागत है। यू ऑल आर वेलकम इन माय चैनल लर्न हिंदी विद नेहा। So today we are going to learn Hindi numbers, how to pronunciate Hindi numbers and how to write Hindi numbers. So let's start without any delay. We'll study from number 1 to number 20. Okay. 1 एक 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 रिपीट विथ मी एक एक टू दो 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 थ्री तीन 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 फोर चार 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 फाइव पांच 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 सिक्स छह 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 सेवन सात 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 एट आठ 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 नाइन नौ 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 टेन टेन दस 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 ओके रिपीट विथ मी देखें कितना याद है आपको एक the way of writing the Hindi numbers is different also. Ek is written like this. Ek, ek, do. You can see do is written like this. Do. Okay. Teen. Make three and then kar. Teen. Char. It likes half eight. Char. Panch. It likes four. Then it is like this. Panch. Chhe. It is ulta three. Opposite three. Then with this bread. Here is bread in every numbers. You can see this bread. छोटी है सबकी. All numbers have bread. Six, छह, सात, सात, mon, and then curve. सात, आठ. You can write आठ like this also. This, then this. आठ, nine. 9 and 9 is also written as this and this. The opposite faces 3 and minus 3. Okay, 9. No. How to pronunciate? No. Not no. No nahi. Now. Das. Das. Das is like in English 1 0 एक और शून्य. Zero is known as शून्य. Zero is known as in Hindi शून्य. शून्य एक शून्य दस. एक शून्य combines and form दस. एक शून्य दस. Okay. Now let's try. Now repeat. Now check. Now check how much you remember. What is this? दो. What is this? तीन. What is this? आठ. What is this? सात. What is this? चार. What is this? दस. What is this? नौ. What is this? पाँच. What is this? छह. What is this? एक. Okay. Now move from 11 to 20. 11 in Hindi known as 11, 11, 11. 12, 12, 12. 13, 13, 13. 14, 14, 14. 15, 15, 15. 16, 16, 16. 17, 17, 17. 18, 18, 18. 19, 19, 19. 20, 20, 20. Okay, and if you want to read the Hindi alphabet and Hindi words, letters, sentences, then comment on comment box. I will provide you the separate classes for that. What is this? 11, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's sing a song. एक दो तीन, एक दो तीन, चार पाँच छ, चार पाँच छ, सात आठ नौ, सात आठ नौ, 10 11 12, 10 11 12, 13 14 15, 13 14 15, 16 17 18, 16 17 18, 19 और 20, 19 और 20. So, if you find this video interesting, please don't forget to comment on comment box. This will motivate me. और क्या आपको याद हुआ ये चैप ये सेशन? क्या आपको याद? This is your today's homework to learn from 1 to 20. Repeat with me, listen this video 2 times, 3 times. You will learn definitely. Then tomorrow we will learn from 20, 21 to 40. Okay, till then, best of luck. Bye bye. Keep on learning with Neha.